Hello friends, I am Mrs. P.R. Mughal, lecturer in Computer Technology Department from KK Wagh Polytechnic. Today, we are going to see how FAT is classified and constructed. Let us begin with the topic. FAT is one of most important electronic device which is used widely after BJT, that is bipolar junction transistor. But FAT having more advantages over BJT, like it has better thermal stability, high input impedance, it produces less noise, and it can be used in high frequency applications. So it is preferred in many applications like integrated circuits, digital switches, amplifiers, and amplitude modulation. As FAT is constructed using semiconductor material, it is classified in two parts according to material used: junction field effect transistor, that is JFET, and metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, that is MOSFET. This JFET is again classified in two parts according to which material is used as a channel. If N-type material is used as a channel, then it is called an N-channel JFET. If P-type material is used as a channel, then it is called as P-channel JFET. Again, this MOSFET is classified in two parts according to construction, that is depletion MOSFET, or it is also called as DMOSFET, and enhancement MOSFET or E-MOSFET. Further, this depletion MOSFET and E-MOSFET are again classified in two types, that is N-channel DMOSFET and P-channel DMOSFET, and N-channel E-MOSFET and P-channel E-MOSFET. Now let us see structure or construction of N-channel FET and its symbol. In this case, N-type channel or N material is used to construct this FET, and these two P-type materials are alloyed at both the sides and they are heavily doped. From these two P-type material, wire is taken and one terminal is taken, that is called as gate, and across these two terminals of N-type channel there are two terminals, that is drain and source. This is called as ohmic contact. Source will provide electrons and they will leave from drain terminal. Then this is the symbol of this N-channel JFET: drain, source and gate. These are the three terminals, and see, this arrow head is towards the channel. Now this is symbol of P-channel JFET. In this type, this P material is used as a channel, and at the both sides N material is alloyed, and from these two terminal one wire is taken and it is called as gate terminal, and these two terminal are drain and source. Now see this, observe this symbol. Here both the symbols are same, but what is difference? That arrowhead is away from the channel. This bar indicate channel, and in this case that arrow is towards the channel. Now this is construction of N-channel DMOSFET. In this case, this P material is as a substrate, and here gate is insulated from this channel using this silicon dioxide layer, that is SiO2 layer. So in this symbol, channel and gate, there is a gap. Why that gap is shown? Because of this SiO2 layer. This is construction of P-channel E-MOSFET. In this case, that channel is not initially present. It will be created afterward when supply is applied. So there is enhancement. So it is called as enhancement type MOSFET. See symbol of this E-MOSFET. In this case, that channel is not continuous line. Here in first case channel is a solid line, whereas in second case channel is a dotted line, because channel is created afterwards and there is gap between this channel and gate because of this SiO2 layer. Again there are same three terminals, that is drain, source and gate. This is all about construction of FET, MOSFET and its symbols. Thank you.